The Korean giant announced the W2018, which is its 10th extravagant dual-screen flip phone, likely priced at above $1,500, made exclusively for China Telecom's Heart of the World charity series. To our surprise, rather than simply repackaging existing flagship components into this form factor, Samsung actually threw in some new tech this time. Not only does its 12-megapixel main camera come with an even lower f/1.5 aperture, but it can also switch to f/2.4 for a deeper depth of field when lighting is ideal. While this is the first time that variable aperture is applied to a smartphone's fixed lens since the Nokia N86MP, Samsung was surprisingly quiet about this rare feature. Thankfully, we came across a close-up video of the W2018's main camera in action, and the mechanism appears to be a miniaturized version of conventional aperture blades, except it's limited to 2 aperture settings. The effectiveness of such variable aperture on a smartphone camera remains to be seen, but at least this gives Samsung a good head start, especially if this tech does end up on the upcoming Galaxy S9, we may find out as soon as January. The camera is otherwise pretty much identical to those on the S8 series and the wide-angle imager on the Note 8. It features large 1.4 micrometers pixels, dual-pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization. Much like its predecessor, the W2018 features two 4.2-inch 1080p Super AMOLED touchscreens, a rear fingerprint reader, dual SIM slots, NFC, a 5-megapixel f/1.9 selfie camera and a surprisingly small 2300 mAh battery. Luckily, the rest is as you'd expect on a modern flagship device: Snapdragon 835 chipset, 6GB of RAM, a storage option of 64GB or a whopping 256GB plus a USB-C port. Yes, the W2017 still had a micro USB port. There's even an iris scanner if you prefer using that to unlock, but it's only accessible when you flip open the phone.